I'm Ralph W. Sevenor from Wayne Alarm Systems. Welcome to Antique Corner. Appreciate you spending a couple of moments with us. One of the things that I wanted to talk about is the ingenuity that was in alarm systems back in the 50s, 60s, 70s. And in this particular system, this is actually a flash guard system. It was an interesting system because it was a wireless system, but it didn't use RF radio frequency. It actually used light. So it had photocells located in a particular house or a warehouse, for example. And the concept is this was a battery-operated device, and it used a series of flash cubes. So a flash cube, and this actually is called a magic cube because it used an exothermic material. What would happen is it would penetrate the enclosure, and a thermal reaction would happen and flash a light. They used to use them for as flash bulbs for the older cameras. In any case, they adapted it to an alarm system. They used this clamshell device, and if you look very closely, you can actually see the flash cube in there. What they did is they had a plug, and the plug was on a beaded chain, and I'm going to show you on a door, for example, so if you follow me along. And it was on the edge of a door, and the concept is it would be mounted to this plug through a beaded cord, and if the door opened, it would pull the plug out. This clamshell would open. It would then, you'd have a flash of light. The photocell would pick it up distance away, 10 feet, 20 feet, 100 feet, whatever it may be. It would be detected by the photocell, and it would activate the alarm. So very simply, when the door opened, you'd have a flash. The flash would illuminate. It would then be picked up by the photocell, and hopefully the alarm would sound. So the concept is that flash photocell would be located in particular rooms. So one flash cube or 4 flash cubes would actually send a light pulse to this. Great concept. Think about it, one of the earlier wireless systems. The big flaw, obviously, lightning storms, thunderstorms, when there was a flash of light, it'd be picked up by the photocell, and it would then be interpreted as an alarm. So, but the ingenuity of these devices were just absolutely amazing. So it was big in the 70s. This company was well known. They had a big van that used to travel all around the United States promoting the concept of flash guard alarm systems. So thought you'd find that interesting. Any questions, please let us know. If there's any subjects you want to cover, let us know, and we'll see you next week. Thank you.